Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Compliments turkey meatballs. These are on sale. Check this out. Here's the back. If you guys don't want to read this, pause the video. And we're going to cook them up today. I'm actually just going to probably boil them. Because it'll be quicker, so. Okay, so that's what they look like. So let's cook them up. I'll be back. So here's the meatball all cooked up. So I basically cooked it up. I'm going to cut it in half right now. Give you guys a good idea what it looks like. Now these were originally fully cooked to begin with, so all you had to do was really heat them up. So that's what it looks like in between. And we're going to do a quick taste test. It's actually really good. There's a nice chewy texture to it. Because these are turkey, it's not like a sausage taste or anything like that, but it's like almost like a turkey sausage. But it's not like, it's different than the pork one. It's not as salty, not as greasy. Yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.